Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a live chat feature on your Shopify store in 2025. Step by step, whether you want to boost customer support or increase sales, live chat is a game changer. Let's get started. First of all, why add live chat? It helps answer customer questions instantly, increases conversions, builds trust. Plus, most apps are easy to set up, no coding needed. Let's pick a live chat app. Head over to Shopify admin dashboard, then click Add Apps, then Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type live chat. Here's our three great options: video, live chat, and AI chatbots. Free and premium options, very user friendly. Then Shopify inbox, free and integrates directly. With Shopify. For this tutorial, I will show for this tutorial we'll use Shopify inbox basic. uh, for this tutorial we will use a Shopify inbox because it's completely free and built by Shopify. Click on Shopify inbox from the search results, then hit install. You will land on the inbox dashboard. Now just follow the setup prompts. You can connect your store email, Facebook Messenger, and even Instagram DMs. For now, we will stick to just the website chat. Time to customize the look. Go to settings inside the Shopify inbox dashboard. Click on turn on chat settings, then click on add chat appearance or set up chat. Here you can change the welcome message, pick a color from here to match your brand, add your store logo to the chat bubble, make it friendly and on brand. Example, hey there, let us know if you have any questions. Let us know if you have any questions, like that. and click save from here. Once it's live, you will get messages inside your Shopify inbox. To reply to go to the inbox section of your admin dashboard or use Shopify inbox mobile app. From your dashboard, you will see customer name and cart details, chat history, quick replay options for FAQs. You can also set office hours or add auto replies when you are offline. Let's test it out. Go to your store's homepage as a visitor. You will see a chat icon. At the bottom right corner, click it and send a test message like hello. Then log into your account and check back in your Shopify inbox. There it is. Try replying and see how it feels in real time. And that's it. You have just added live chat on your Shopify store in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more details. Drop your questions below and I will try to answer them all. See you in the next video.